Hello, welcome to Bell CB. Today we're looking at a 29LX with an RFX-75 and an echo board we did for Dan in Connecticut. And let's check it out here. There's your controls for your echo. Check. Up here, working at 30 watts across the bottom. Right about 15 watt dead key. And 100 watt scale here.
Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Check. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check.
60, 80, 100.
Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check. 1 2 3 4. Audio.
Okay. Just to show you everything's looking okay. Stick it on the air for a few minutes.
What does he say? I think she said, Tornillador es muy guapo. Is that what she said? Audio, check. Audio, check. Cobra 29LX and a 636 microphone. And I'm back out. Adios, señorita.